How to fix LEGO Fortnite can't select world. So first what you need to do is make sure that there are no other controllers connected on your Fortnite or on your console, because Fortnite might interpret it as a split screen and it will cause complications on your game. So first just simply disconnect it, and once it's disconnected, go to a battle royale mode right here, and after that go back to the LEGO Fortnite. And that should do the trick. But if it doesn't, what you can do is go back to battle royale, then make sure that autofill is off and just simply play the game. Now once you're on the lobby or on the waiting space, you just simply need to go back to the lobby right here. And once you're back on the lobby, you simply need to go back to LEGO Fortnite. And if that still doesn't work, the last thing that you can do is restart your Fortnite. And that's basically it.